but they didn't really actually look forward, really look surely before actually giving the answer. Sometimes they could get wrong, and human like us could know it more. So sometimes we could have an idea and or on our own way to reading essay faster or doing something faster and all in one. Some only for some of us who are very creative, have a lot of time, and also still know what we are doing, because that's the important thing. Because sometimes if I'm doing math and I'm actually thinking about this or that, like science or history and that, I could get it wrong. Like I was supposed to say 23 as my answer, right? But then I actually just say fish.